and you can add an earthquake endorsement, which covers one deductible for any 72-hour period for one occurrence in that case. So it'll include any aftershocks. Permitted incidental occupancy. So if you do run that incidental business out of your home, you will be able to go ahead and buy that back as an endorsement. So Philippe, the dollar limitation that normally would be in there under the liability. And then if you have certain things like expensive jewelry or guns and stuff like that, the way to possibly cover this is either you do it through a scheduled personal property or through a personal article floater. There are reasons to do both of those. The scheduled personal property would be the more expensive. Personal article floater separates it out, so there's only coverage for that one item, so it is a little bit less expensive. You can add a watercraft endorsement for liability only onto your homeowner's policy, but most of the time you want to keep a separate watercraft policy. It makes more sense. For any watercraft policy that's going to be for a personal watercraft, this is anything less than 26 foot in length and has no commercial uses. You could do that. So there would be limited coverage if you were using it in the Gulf of Mexico. Yacht policies, these are typically for larger boats that have no commercial uses. Marine policies, this would be any boat that is used in any way for commercial usage. And if you just wanted liability insurance, this is called a protection and indemnity policy. So a few questions here, and then we'll be done with this section. Number one, Mary purchases an HO3 form that has $300,000 coverage limit on a dwelling and $150,000 personal property with a limit of $500 deductible. If jewelry valued at $20,000 is stolen from the dwelling, Mary will collect the maximum of which of the following amounts: A, $19,500, B, nothing, C, $1,000, or D, $1,500. In this case, it's B, $1,500, because of the special limit that applies to the peril of theft or jewelry. Number two, John insured his home with an HO3 form for $200,000. If he has a buyer wants $25,000 to his own attached garage, his standard homeowner's policy will provide coverage for which of the following amounts: A, nothing, B, $10,000, C, $20,000, or D, $25,000. So what they're trying to get you to remember here is the standard amount here on a standard homeowner's policy is going to be 10% of the coverage A limit, which would be $20,000.